Hello friends, I am Professor Thete Poonam. Today we are going to discuss Anne Frank's Diary of a Young Girl. This is the biography of the Anne Frank. Anne Frank was born on June 1929 in Germany and later moved to Amsterdam with her family. She received a diary for her 13th birth. 13th birth, and though her family went into hiding for the almost 2 years until they were arrested by the Nazis. Anne died in the Bergen and Belsen camp in March 1945. Her diary survived and was later published by her father. Anne Frank's Diary of a Young Girl there are some objectives. The theme in the Diary of a Young Girl is a composed a written response 100 and 200 words discussing one theme. You may choose which excerpt you wish to discuss or identify and discuss and any other theme that you feel is relevant. Be one task. There is the sum of the definition, theme of the unifying or dominant idea. Various themes are explored in Diary of a Young Girl. Read the following spurt. There are the one of the excerpt. First, I long to ride a bike, dance, whistle, look at the world, feel young, and know that I am free. Just imagine what would happen in all 8 of us were to feel sorry for ourselves or walk around with the discontent clearly visible on our faces. Anne Frank is the December 24, 1943. Expert discussion of experts first. It is the context of the Nazi persecution has forced Anne into hiding with 7 other people in the secret annex. How does Anne feel? And study the following photographs. There is the before hiding of the Anne Frank life. There is Anne's room in hiding. Such a imagine being copied up in the room at length. Imagine sharing it with an adult. How would you feel? How did Anne feel? There is the repression. The definition is the having to keep under control one feelings. How would you feel in Anne's position? There is exert. Second, I need my mother to set a good example and be a person I can respect, but in most matters she is an example of what not to do. There is the context. Anne has always been closer to her father than her mother. What is Anne's age when she wrote this entry? Describe Anne's feeling. There is some photograph of this Anne and her mother. Felt her mother did not understand her, who did not prepare to confide in. There is the adolescence of the transition period between the puberty and adulthood. There is the grow up and restrictive environment. She was deprived to contact with her peers. Spurt 3. I want to be useful or bring enjoyable to all people, even those I have never met. I want to go living even after my death. Anne feels like there are two Annes within her, and mean Anne and the nice Anne. And do you think Anne faces an identify problem? How did Anne find her identity? There is the some identity of Anne's diary and the self-identity and awareness of one's and self as a separate individual. Her diary entries reflect Anne's quest for the sense of identity. Anne matures into a confident young woman with a strong identity of her own. There is the four expert four is the I still believe in spite of everything that people are truly good at her. This is the context of this expert is the this was one of the final significant entries in Anne's diary. Despite everything, Anne maintained hope and optimism. How does the this expert reflect on Anne as a person? Anne's Margot the Annex. Choose one diary expert, writer's response, and theme of the views. There is the recommended reading of this Anne's diary, and Anne is the discuss the theme of Anne of a young girl. Look the fourth expert from the Anne's diary, and you write a response one theme. Thank you, friends. Please must watch this video and subscribe to our channel, and please share to our channel.